Hi, and welcome to Simply Learn Stuff. In this video, we will take a quick overlook of the Charts group within the Insert tab. By selecting your data, you can go through several of the chart options, such as column charts, bar charts, waterfalls, sunbursts, etc., to be able to see how your data will be interpreted depending on your data selection. The easiest way to get to know these different types of charts is to select your data set and see how the data will react to the different chart types. This can sometimes give you various inputs which you may not be able to realize if you just stick to a specific chart type. The awesome thing about the charts group is it has a recommended charts option. After selecting your data set, you can choose the recommended charts to see which charts Excel recommends for you. This can give you insights into your data as well. It also has the All Charts tab, which will list all the different types of charts. And here it does not only display your chart in a specific fashion, but it also allows you to see your data categorized in a different way. You can go through the different types of charts and see at which one interprets your charts the best, and then make a selection of that, of what you feel suits your interpretation the best. I trust you find this information useful, and remember to like and subscribe.